This is our CS411 final project. We made an app for researchers in the lab. Researchers can upload their research papers to this app, and since some research papers also require some experiments such as testing, we also allow researchers to upload their testing results as reports to this app, and the researchers can attach those reports to the research papers as an evidence and support for their theory. And now I will show the main functions of this app. When we open the app, we'll go to the login page. We enter username and password, and if the password or username is incorrect, we'll get the information of incorrect username and password. And after we log in, we'll go to the main page of this app. It is divided into three parts: research papers, reports, and suggestions. The first part, research papers, contain all the research papers that is uploaded by the users. And the second part, reports, contain all experimental reports that is uploaded by the user. And the third part, suggestions, is the place where we use complex queries. We made an analysis based on users' history rating of research papers and the topics of research papers user rated, and then we select from all research papers in the database. We find those research papers which have similar topics and also they are highly rated, and choose those research papers as a recommendation to this user. And then I will show the reports detail view. When we click a report, you can see the detailed information of this report. It contains the title and also age, and those location equipments and those results, test results information. The report, we use MongoDB to store the report's data because the schema of the report is somewhat flexible. Indeed, the new field and test key are the new rows we added later. So when we added the reports, we can select images from the phone's gallery. And also we can add a new row to the patient section or other sections. For example, we add a new row to the test detail sections. You can enter any key you want and any value you want. This is the reason we use MongoDB, yeah. And you see this row is added to these sections. Then we click update. We can also update those values. For example, when you click update, yes, we find that the new row is added and also the value is updated. Images is also uploaded. Yes, when then we switch back, and this is the all for the updates of the reports. And we can also delete reports. For example, we want to delete these tests. It just disappears from the landing page. We can also create a new reports, entering something, for example, tests. And when we click submit, we go to report section and we can find that this test is, we get this test reports in the report section, and this is the post. So that is all for the reports. And for search papers and reports, we can do the search function. So we can enter some keyword to search for the reports or research paper. For example, report 1. This will search. This will return all reports with title report 1. And if we search blood, it will return all blood, all the research papers or reports which contains the title blood. And in research papers, we can also choose to search by topics. And we click this toggle button on. We may enter some topics such as cancer. You see, it returns all the research papers with the topic cancers. And in research papers, we can also delete and also it contains some topics and rating, and also number of users who rate these research papers. The current delete is not implemented yet. And when we click the research detail view, this is the detail view of the research papers. You can choose files from the gallery, and also you can attach all your reports to the research papers. The updates, deletes, and gets the post endpoints are all implemented in backend, but those endpoints are not achieved in the front end because the time limitations, and our partners they just ask for us help in the late time, and so we don't have time to do this, and that is all for our app.